Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at how can you set up VPNBook. And if you have known, VPNBook is an older service provider in terms of VPN. It's not that much famous, but still it provides you different options like to connect with PPTP and so on. So it's not that great. The only option which works perfectly is the OpenVPN, and that is the step that I'm going to show you, which works in perfect manner. Okay, so this page, you can get the description down below, the link, and obviously you need OpenVPN, and that's an open source for every device like your Windows, Mac, Android, whether it be. Okay, then obviously you need this, and then we will have to select the server. There are so many servers, you can say like 10 servers, I mean sorry, 3 6 9 10, yes, 10 servers, and you can pick anyone. And the thing is which port to go with. So 25,000 is the highest and the best in terms of speed. Rest you can try as according to your ISP, because you don't know which ISP provider has what kind of setting. So yeah, you can try all one by one, whichever works perfect, you can just go with it. Okay, so we are just doing fine with this, and it's asking us for the username and password. It will be given as this on the website, and it changes after a frequent interval. You could say like after a day or in between, so doesn't matter. So you can enter the username and password. Username always be VPNBook, just the password is different. Now you can see it's connected. Now if you go to the tab or look for the IP address, which is the latest one, it should be with. All right, so here we over the what's my IP address, and here you go, you can see it's mentioned with Canada. So now similar to this, you can go with other ports and other servers. This time let's go with the UK one, and let's pick this UDP. So if there is something wrong, it won't let you connect. That means you are not going to get connected with this. It means you need to switch with the different servers. So try one by one which configuration file works perfect with your ISP. It could be a different thing, so just explore. So it is loaded with this default one, so now we can just hit connect. It's also going to ask the same thing, VPNBook and the password, and I believe the password will be same, and here you go. So it's taking or stating that it's not going to get connected because there's something with the ISP's restriction that it is not letting or establishing the connection with this configuration. All right, so we will disconnect this and we will try with a different one, but with the same UK server. Okay, all right, let's pick UDP 25, and this is here imported. And now if I just connect, asking the same thing, and okay, so if we try the same server but with different configuration and different port, it is connected. It means it clearly states that it could differ by ISPs, and whichever suits the best you can go with. You can see the European Union prompt, it asks for every permission. So that's the way you can decide for yourself, and this is what it is here, the free open VPN of VPNBook. So if you have got any questions to ask, you can ask me down in the comment section, and there are plenty other VPN servers or services available. You can check out from the cards, and yeah, more videos will be coming soon on this topic, so stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.